Hello again from OGS Mechanics, where today we've got a Range Rover Evoque. This is the L538 model built from 2012 to 2018 with a 2-liter diesel Ingenium engine. Now, what we want to show on this engine is the timing chain noise, and it's an aspect that you should pay attention to your vehicle. So, if you have one of those engines, timing chain is a common aspect to fail, and the first that you can hear it is at the startup after a long night or after a period of engine being switched off. So this is a first sign. Obviously, left it untreated, it's only gonna get worse and worse up to a point that it could really, the chain can break, causing massive damage. So we just want to show you the noise that you should look for on a first startup. It should be a slight rattling that is going to quiet down after a few seconds. So we have this engine sitting for a couple of days, and then we want to see if we can replicate the noise. So let's give it a try. So it was quite clear, the noise. If you heard it, the engine was quite loud for quite a good second. Actually, at this stage, the chain is quite in a bad condition because it took a lot longer for it to quieten down. And then even on switching off the engine, there was still a bit of noise. So we definitely, at this stage, the chain is very stretched, and it won't be long from this stage until the chain could literally break. So this is obviously, we wouldn't advise to have the vehicle driven with such a noise, but you don't have to wait until it comes that bad, because what it happens when the chain is rattling is also affecting the housing inside. So definitely pose a lot of risk driving with a chain in this condition. So I hope this is useful to you to understand how you can diagnose a timing chain in the early stages. And we should probably gonna go ahead with this job, and we'll keep you updated as we go along. OGS Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle needs.